How to connect cables to jump battery. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you learn how to safely and correctly connect jumper cables to jumpstart a car battery. It's simple, quick, and can save you in emergency. Let's get started. Step 1. Park the car safely. Park both cars close together, but make sure they're not touching. Turn both vehicles off and engage the parking brakes. Step 2. Identify the battery terminals. Open the hoods. Find the positive and negative terminals on both batteries. Step 3. Connect the jumper cables in this exact order. First, connect the red clamp to the positive terminal of the dead battery. Then, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the working battery. Now, connect the black clamp to the negative terminal of the working battery. And lastly, connect the other black clamp to an unpainted metal part of the car with the dead battery, like a clean bolt or engine block, not the battery itself. Step 4. Start the working car. Let it run for a minute or two. Step 5. Start the dead car. Try starting the dead car. If it starts, let both cars run for a few minutes. Step 6. Disconnect the cables. Reverse the order. First, remove the black clamp from the grounded metal part. Then, remove the black clamp from the good battery. After that, remove the red clamp from the good battery. And finally, remove the red clamp from the previous dead battery. And that's it. You've just learned how to jump a car battery safely using a jumper cables. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.